understand so why, but as a as a youth myself, I know that this problem prevalent has been a prevalent issue in a while. But as a youth myself, will try to help them be more thoughtful, be more mindful of their actions by thinking what they do before they do the things. But by being to which I help, to which I hope I can help them avoid those problems by being an ambassador and an advocacy giver. That is all.
Magbungag ang tako bago.
Thank you. Heading number 8, Mr. Joseph Lador Jr.